Good day to you, learners and colleagues. We will be dealing with classifications of triangles by looking at the biggest angle in a triangle, number of equal angles, number of equal or unequal sides as well. One of the things we need to understand the language of angles when we say the angle is acute, what we mean, it means the angle is less than 90, and then when the angle is equal to 90, we call that a right angle. When an angle is bigger than 90, it's called an obtuse angle. In an equilateral triangle, all sides are equal and all angles equal. Isosceles, two sides equal and two angles facing those equal sides are equal. Scaling, nothing is equal in terms of angles, in terms of sides. Like we said, if all sides are equal, then all angles are equal. If two sides are equal, opposite angles facing those sides are equal, and scaling, no angles, no sides equal. Now let's look once more in an emphasis on the types of triangle. Three sides equal, three angles equal. All sides equal, all angles equal. Isosceles, two sides equal, opposite angles opposite those equal sides are equal. Angles opposite those angles are equal. It's an isosceles. Scaling, nothing equal. Three unequal sides as well as three unequal angles. Once more, we look at them. You can either use sides or use angles. The diagrams on the left, let's look at the side. Scaling, like we said, no sides equal. Isosceles, two sides equal, and angles opposite those equal sides are equal. Equilateral, all sides are equal. All sides equal. Now let's see analysis using angles. When it's a triangle, an acute one, you look at the biggest angle. If there's no angle bigger than 90, it's an acute angle. If the bigger angle is bigger than 90, then it's called an obtuse. If the bigger angle is equal to 90, then it's classified as a right angle triangle. Once more, just an emphasis on when you look at types of triangle, you look by sides, you look by angles. When you look at this one, isosceles, two sides, equal length. Three sides, all equal. Three angles, all equal. When you go to the scaling one, no, all sides unequal, all angles unequal. Now, when we classify it according to angles, once more, you look at the biggest side. The biggest side here is 90. The biggest angle, is 90, therefore it's called a right angle triangle. The biggest angle here is less than 90, then it's called an acute angle triangle. The biggest angle here bigger than 90, then it's called an obtuse triangle. Equilateral, again remember, three sides, three angles equal. Equi means equal. Lateral sides. Equi means equal. All the sides are equal. Iso, two. Iso, same. Legs, two legs equals, and two angles opposite those sides equal. Angles opposite those equal sides are equal. As we said earlier on, scaling, no sides equals, no angles equal. That's a reminder and emphasis. The general rules, how are you going to remember scaling? No equal sides, no equal angles. Equilateral, equal sides. 3 angles equal and 3 sides equal. Isosceles triangles, iso 2 equal angles, 2 equal sides. It's a way of reminding yourself. Obtuse triangle, you look at the biggest angle. If it's bigger than 90, therefore it's an obtuse triangle. Acute, the biggest angle less than 90, then it's an acute angle triangle. And then if the biggest is 90, then your right angle triangle. We also remember that when you add all angles of a triangle, it will give you 180. So equilateral, equal sides, equal angles, 3 angles, when you add all of them, it should be 180. 60 plus 60, 120 plus 60, 118, an equilateral triangle. Right. Isosceles, once more, you look at equal sides. What about the angle opposite them? The angle opposite them, they're equal. But when you add all of them, they should give you 180. Scalene, no angles equals, no sides equals. When you look at the right angle triangle, again it's 90, the biggest angle, and the other two give you 90. But when you add all of them, they should give you 180 degrees. Now, from what we know now, it's important to know and remember we are requested to classify triangles here. One, you look at the biggest angle, less than 90, therefore it's an acute angle. Right? And as well, further on, no sides equal, no angles equal. It's an scalene in that sense. Now, number B, what is the biggest angle? 130. Is it bigger than 90? Yes. Therefore, it's an obtuse. But as well, look at the sides. No sides equal, no angle equal. Now, number C, what is your biggest angle? 90. Therefore, 90, the triangle is classified as a right angle triangle. When you look at D, look at the sides. These two sides are equal. And of course, angles opposite those equal sides are equal, which is called an isosceles because two sides are equal, remembering the properties to classify. When you look at this one, the biggest angle bigger than 90, therefore it's called an obtuse triangle. Now let's look at this one, isosceles triangle. Remember from our knowledge now, isosceles triangle, it means this side is equal to that side. Therefore, if this side is 5 units, that side is 5 units. And this angle is equal to that angle. So those properties are very important to assist us in understanding further. Now let's solve using our knowledge, the knowledge that we have now. Let the knowledge work for us. Firstly, isosceles triangle. This side is equal to this side. Therefore, that angle, if it's equal to x, another angle opposite equal side, this one is x. Therefore, you will say, okay, if that's the case, x plus 85. Remember, sum of angles of a triangle is 180 when you add all of them. 2x will give you a 95, and your x will be 47.5. Because it's an isosceles triangle, this side is 4.5, which is equal to that side, meaning that side is 4.5. Applying your knowledge is important to remember those properties going forward in solving more questions. Second question, once more, your isosceles. In other words, this angle is opposite that side. Which other side is equal to that side? This one. Which angle is opposite that one? Is this one. Therefore, this angle will be 55. Therefore, you'll be having a 2x plus 55 plus 55, which is 180. And 2x will be 70, meaning that your x will be 35. Isosceles triangle. And then if that side is equal to 9.9 centimeter, which other side is equal to it? AY, meaning 9.9 centimeters. So it's important to know and understand those properties. When you look at the triangle, remember the size of the side and the size of the angle. Then The last question again, isosceles triangle, meaning this side is equal to that side. If this side is 3 centimeters, that side is 3 centimeters. When you talk about the perimeter around here, when you measure around here, what you have 3 centimeters plus 3 centimeters is 6 plus 6 centimeters, which is 12 centimeters. And of course, your x becomes 3 centimeters. Good luck, boys and girls. I hope you enjoyed the lesson. It will help understand you further geometry of a straight line and 2Ds and be able to answer your quiz. Thank you. Good luck.